What's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews coming back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at a popular one on Amazon. It's a small MTECH. This is the well, let me look at it so I don't tell you wrong. The MTA 882, is that right? Yeah, 882. It's actually a smaller knife, but this thing is really cool. Right here you do have a plastic faceplate on your handle, but on the back it is all metal back there. And you've got your frame lock right here, so I guess that's why they incorporated that in there right there. So you are going to get a little bit better lock with this frame lock. Nice beefy little belt clip on it. Just your standard liner lock right there in the middle. Seems to close just fine. Right back here you do have a bottle opener, which is pretty neat, and then a lanyard hole right here. So, you know, the way this thing looks, you could probably use it on a keychain and have it hanging like that. It's assisted open right here, your spring assist. Bam, right there. And this thing is fast. Up here you got some jimpings right here, and they're a little bit further spaced apart right there on your handle, but they've even incorporated some into the blade right here. And it actually, and that glares a little bit crazy on it, but let me give you a close-up on it this way. It's not too bad. And then right here you do have a little groove out to reach that liner, and then you've also got your I guess that's so you can also get to this little thumb flip. So bam, I like that too. So you can open it up that way, or you can use the trigger right here. So just a simple little knife, guys. This thing's actually pretty cool. If you want to see a more in-depth review on it, be sure to go check out our other channel at just Product Probes. Hope the review helped, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.